to check old chat messages on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen and scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Click on Account Center, and in here you'll find your information and permission. Then click on Download your information. Again, download, select your Facebook account, and then press on Next. Click on specific types of information and make sure there is tick mark only in messages, and then press on Next. Click on Download to device. Select date range and also select your Gmail account. Press on Next, and this file will be sent to your Gmail that you have added, and you simply be able to check all chat messages from Facebook. This is how to check all chat messages on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.